Yeah, I've just let them off for a quick run. Just unload quite a bit of energy first thing in the morning. That's the best thing to do, especially with these two, because with all that energy they start arguing a bit in the morning, and we don't want that. So come out around about 8:30. There isn't many dogs around now, so I can let them off, which is great. There's Mika having a leaf bath. Does that every morning. There's little Luna. Hiya, Luna. Luna. Oh, look. Not down. Yes, Mika's been very good. At last. Good girl. Come on. I'll finish that there for a minute. I think I'm filming the floor.